Veterans ba? Considering that as requested, Attorney Zoraida Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared at the St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City. Ma'am, si VP, and anybody of your choice. May text tayo galing kay SILG Rimulya. Ma'am, ang sabi ni SILG Rimulya,
yan din ang sabi nyo, tapos kinuha nyo ako kanina, dadalhin nyo ako sa correctional.
Hindi ma'am, tapos na yun.
Totoo.
To General Nick Torre from the SILG John Vic Rimulya, transfer of Attorney Zoraida Lopez to Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torre, as verbally agreed upon, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the untethered access of her personal physicians during her confinement. The attorney will also be accorded full visiting rights of the following people: Senator Bato de la Rosa, Senator Amy Marcos, Vice President Sara Duterte. Please be advised that all pertinent hospital safety guidelines should be followed, as well as hospital policies on visitation practices. For strict and immediate compliance, signed, SILG John Vic Rimulya. Ma'am, assurance yun.
I don't believe in your assurance anymore. That's what they told me in the house. And look where it brought me.
Dito, maraming witness,
Dito naman sasakay ka naman mo sa sasakyan ni
Pumayag sila
VP.
sa media, pumayag sila kay Senator Bato.
Ma'am, sasakay po
Pumayag
kayo.
sila sa akin.
Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni VP. Kasama niyo po si VP sa sasakyan. She will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center.
Pumayag sila.
Hindi ka naman iiwanan ni VP, ma'am.
Sure yan, Nick, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Promise.
Of course, sir. Nandiyan naman si VP. They are just in one car. Okay, ma'am?
Ay, alalayan dyan.
Si VP, baka ma'am, paano ma'am? Paano?
Dito kami sa likod mo, ma'am. Huwag kang mag-alala.
Muna ako ha. Next.
Nicole.
Salamat, konti.
Lalayin mo, lalayin. Dito. Abangin nyo na eh.